Cardano ADA to $500. Cardano ADA about to explode. Cardano ADA news today. For analysts and crypto enthusiasts aware of the altcoin market, it isn't hard to see why Cardano will explode in 2021. The signs are there, and the numbers strongly suggest that ADA holders are in for a big surprise. In fact, Christmas might come early for them. Today we're going to talk all about why Cardano is ready to explode. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 2nd of September, shall we? On our daily Cardano price analysis, ADA USD pair is trading bearishly on the 24-hour candlesticks as the bears pull the market lower to the $2.77 price mark. Traders are hence anticipating the market to continue moving downwards and hit their next target support near $2.46. The overall cryptocurrency market is trading with mixed results. Losers include Bitcoin and Solana with a 1.24% and 3.45% loss respectively. Ethereum and Ripple gained 6.68% and 4.91% respectively. The best performer turned out to be Polkadot with a net positive gain of 15%. The 24-hour candlesticks on our Cardano price analysis are red with little signs of volatility as indicated by the tight daily range of $2.7200 to $2.7790. Cardano's trading volume fell by 7.2% since yesterday and totals $4.292 billion. ADA is ranked at position number 3 by CoinMarketCap with a market capitalization of $91 billion. Our Cardano price analysis indicates the bulls have attempted to overcome the $2.772 price zone on the 4-hour chart but have met rejection, resulting in a drop below the middle Bollinger Band line and increasing negative signals of an imminent downtrend. Cardano price movement has posted record gains from a major swing low of $1.02, jumping almost 200% to the August swing high of $2.97. The bulls might have become exhausted on approaching August 26th, where they failed to breach the $2.90 resistance. Last week's $2.46 resistance is the current support, and the bears are targeting to exert a pullback towards this zone. A situation that could once again flip the support into a price barrier. We expect the bears to take control of the price and urge traders to take advantage of any dips on the Cardano chart as the community warms up for the September 12th Alonzo upgrade. Now let's get back to the topic. ADA's price is currently $2.84, and they're ranked number 3 with a market capitalization of $91.897 billion. Cardano has experienced significant changes since its launch in 2017, and are poised to enter more phases as detailed in their roadmap. Thanks to their strategic partnership, the Cardano protocol is now adopted by several companies across various industries. And when we consider the Cardano platform's rollouts in recent months and the projects ahead, ADA looks like it could be the next big thing. A product is good not merely because it solves a problem, but because it is widely used. Therefore, any inherently effective product, but is not known to people, is as good as useless. Even in cryptocurrency, this holds very true. The guys at Cardano know a thing or two about this idea, and that's why you should closely monitor the performance of Cardano's native token, ADA. You might be asking how Cardano will explode, but before then, let us dive into what this blockchain platform is about. Cardano ADA is a third-generation decentralized proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain platform. This is made to be a more efficient alternative to proof-of-work networks. However, like Ethereum, interoperability, scalability, and sustainability on the POW network are limited by the infrastructure strain of growing costs, slow transaction times, and energy use. Simply put, POW networks have more transaction fees, require more computational work, and take longer to complete a single transaction on them. Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson understood these drags on blockchain networks, so he began to develop Cardano and its primary crypto, ADA, in 2015. It was launched in 2017. The platform operates on the Ouroboros Consensus Protocol. It was created in its foundation phase and is the first POS that is secure and the first to be informed by scholarly academic research. Each era or development phase in the Cardano roadmap is supported by a research-based framework that integrates peer-reviewed insights with evidence-based methods to achieve its goals for the blockchain network and the ADA token. Cardano recently reached an all-time high of $2.97 and it surprised everyone, including crypto analysts. This has been partly due to the platform's hybrid nature. Don't forget that it incorporates the defining features of a first-generation crypto, Bitcoin, and second-generation Ethereum. Combined with research features, it gives it an edge over others who aren't built that way. This is also why Cardano has been at the forefront of interesting innovations in the crypto universe. And the more companies use Cardano's blockchain tech, the higher the chances of ADA prices skyrocketing. Another pointer that strongly suggests Cardano will explode is its recent full decentralization. Not many platforms can boast about this. What this means is that the platform's blockchain now achieves 100% decentralization, whereas the community now controls all block production. Cardano has a network of around 200 stake pool operators, and they are now solely responsible for block production on the network. In contrast to Cardano, Bitcoin's blockchain is mostly in the hands of the 10 major Bitcoin mining pools. This makes up 85% of the network's blockchain production. So why is decentralization important? Decentralization means the diversification of block production. When this is done across a large number of people, it increases blockchain security. This reduces the likelihood of a 51% attack or a few bad players gaining control over the network. If you're familiar with Cardano's roadmap, you will observe that platform has reached the Shelley era, which plans to decentralize block production. Things like this are what to watch out for when analyzing a cryptocurrency's market and utility potentials. Read their white paper, study their roadmap, and follow their news to know how they fare compared to what they plan to achieve. Smart contracts Alonzo Blue. This might be Cardano's biggest reason to explode. Its integration of smart contracts is called the Goguen era. The Shelley era decentralizes the system's nucleus, but Goguen adds the capacity to build decentralized applications, dApps, on Cardano's foundation of high-assurance development and peer-reviewed research. What makes a great product is how widely accepted it is. Cardano is planning to launch its smart contracts by the end of the summer. When that time comes, it could be the greatest thing ever for it. Projects will be built on smart contracts, and they'll be more adopted. Currently, Ethereum is the leader when it comes to smart contracts. Most DeFis are built on top of them, even though high fees are charged and the transaction is often slow to complete. Ethereum is the first smart contract platform, so it's more trusted, but Cardano is already working on being the next big thing in smart contracts. Their ERC20 converter is a good bet to make them achieve this, even though it will be difficult to make and launch their own smart contracts. Cardano wants to do things diligently, so instead of launching and convincing people to build on their new smart contracts, Cardano is already targeting established products. Cardano wants them to migrate to their own smart contracts, and they will do this with the help of their ERC20 converter. The ERC20 converter will allow the migration of Ethereum-based tokens to the Cardano chain. This is all about making it simple and easy for already existing products to migrate over to Cardano. Once deployed, users of supported Ethereum tokens will be able to bring them over from Ethereum's congested network and take advantage of Cardano's transaction capacity and lower fees while enjoying enhanced security and interoperability. Cardano is all about easy and simple operations. Of course, they have been working on their smart contracts for 5 years now. However, SingularityNet's AGI token is the first to migrate to the Cardano chain. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!